Hi everyone, this time let's talk about arithmetic series. Our problem is, what is n if the given arithmetic sequence has a sub 1 equals negative 3, a sub n equals 11, and s sub n equals 32? So, let us identify the given in our problem. The given are, first, a sub 1 equals negative 3, that is the first term. We also have a sub n equals 11, that is the last term. And we also have s sub n equals 32, that is the sum of the terms in the sequence. And the unknown in our problem is n. That means, let us identify how many terms are there in the given sequence. So for our solution, take note that an arithmetic series has two formulas. In the first formula, it will be used if the given are the first term and the last term, or a sub 1 and a sub n. And in the second formula, it will be used if the given are a sub 1 or the first term and the common difference or d. So if we go back to our problem, the given are a sub 1 and a sub n. So therefore, we're going to use formula 1. So the first formula is s sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. Then, let's substitute. The value of s sub n is 32. Equals, copy n over 2 times the value of a sub 1 is negative 3 plus the value of a sub n is 11. Then, copy 32 equals n over 2. The negative 3 plus 11 is 8. So, copy 32 equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. And n times 4 is 4n. So take note that we're looking for n. So since the numerical coefficient of n is 4, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. And 4n divided by 4, so 4 will be cancelled, or 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 8 equals n, or n equals 8. So that means, in our problem, there are 8 terms whose sum of the terms is 32. So that is our little discussion. Hope you learned something. Thank you.